latest rabbit hole, a programmable array of mirrors. They reflect light to draw patterns and animations. They are also a living mirror, creating 3D visuals. Portable, set up anywhere, on or off the grid. The inspiration came from a mechanical display and a fixed mirror array. What if we combine the two and make the reflections dynamic? Early tests and calculations showed just how precise this needed to be. So I had to get clever with the mechanics to make cheap actuators work. On top of that, I needed to build homing logic in firmware and per mirror calibration in client software. Any patterns or animations can be designed on a purpose-built user interface. These patterns then transform to positions based on the calibration. So what's next? Scaling from 36 mirrors to 64 or more interactivity, and dreaming of bigger installations. So what's your thoughts? Any suggestions? Also let me know in the comments if you would like to hear more about the motor selection and custom connectors, firmware and command protocol, our controller PCB design, burning motors to figure out thermal limits, image processing for calibration, or how much heat the mirrors can focus, or anything else. Oh, Nextcloud. All right. There is a little naughty one. What is that one doing? They are not connected. Why? I basically couldn't set up the Wi-Fi. You cannot set the subnet on Android. What is happening? Did it go again to the wrong Wi-Fi? It's unbelievable. What on earth is going on?